Can a smart thermostat cause problems with your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system? Yes, it can, especially if it is installed wrong, set up with the wrong wiring, or paired with an older furnace or air conditioner that was not built to work with smart technology. In most cases, the thermostat itself is not the real problem. It is how it gets connected to the system that causes the trouble. Think of your heating and cooling system like a body, and the thermostat is the brain telling it what to do. If the wires get crossed or the settings are wrong, the brain sends confusing signals, and that can make the system turn on and off too much, low air that is too hot or too cold, or not turn on at all. One thing most people do not know is that many older systems use something called a common wire, or C-wire, to give the thermostat steady power, and if that wire is missing, some smart thermostats borrow tiny bits of power from other wires just to stay on. That trick can actually confuse the system and cause something called short cycling, where the unit turns on and off way more than it should, which wears out the equipment faster. So before installing one, it really helps to know if your system has that extra wire ready to go. One common mistake is people trying to install these thermostats themselves without checking if their system is even compatible. So always check the manufacturer's compatibility list first. Another big misconception is thinking a smart thermostat will automatically save energy no matter what. But if the settings are not adjusted properly for your home, it can actually run the system more than needed. A lot of people also forget to update the thermostat software, and outdated software can cause weird glitches or connection issues, so checking for updates every few months is a smart habit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.